Hey Emma, got a minute?
Hey Alex. Yeah, what's up?
I've been thinking about advanced questions in English. They can be a bit tricky, don't you think?
Oh, for sure. Like those complex sentences with embedded questions?
Exactly. Like, do you know where the library is? Instead of just, where's the library?
Yeah, or can you tell me why she's upset? It's like adding a whole extra layer.
Totally. And then there are those tag questions, like you're coming to the party, aren't you?
Oh yeah, those are fun. They can turn a statement into a question so easily.
Right? It's cool how they make conversations more interactive. Got any examples?
Sure. How about, it's raining, isn't it? Or you finished your work, didn't you?
Nice. And they're great for confirming information, like, we're meeting at 6, right?
Yep, exactly. Oh, and indirect questions too, like I was wondering if you could help me.
Oh, those are fancy. They sound more polite, don't they?
Definitely. They're perfect for formal situations. Got another one?
Sure. Could you explain what this means, instead of just what does this mean?
Love it. It's all about making things sound smoother and more natural.
Yeah, and it shows you're thinking about how to ask in the best way possible.
Absolutely. Hey, why don't scientists trust atoms?
Dunno, why?
'Cause they make up everything.
Haha, good one. Science jokes are the best.
For sure. And they're a great way to practice English too.
So, about those advanced questions, what do you think about using question words at the end of a sentence?
Oh, you mean like, you know what I mean, right?
Exactly. It's kinda informal, but it makes conversations flow better.
Yeah, it feels more natural. Like, you're going to the concert, aren't you?
Yup. And sometimes, people even drop the verb, like, gonna join us for lunch?
Totally. And what's up is just what is up, shortened.
Right. It's amazing how much we can simplify things. What about questions within questions?
Oh, those are tricky. Like, do you know if she's coming?
Exactly. Or, can you tell me what time it is?
Yeah, it's like you're nesting questions inside each other. Kinda cool, right?
Totally. And they make you think about how to structure sentences more carefully.
For sure. Got another joke?
Always. Why was the math book sad?
Dunno, why?
It had too many problems.
Ha, classic. Jokes really do make learning fun.
They sure do. So, what's the most challenging part for you with advanced questions?
Probably keeping the grammar straight. Sometimes I mix up the order of words.
Yeah, that's common. But practice makes perfect, right?
Definitely. And having these chats helps a lot.
Agreed. We're getting better every day.
Yep, just gotta keep at it.
So, Emma, what other advanced question forms do you find useful?
I think conditional questions are pretty handy. Like, what would you do if you won the lottery?
Oh, yeah, those are great. They really get you thinking about different scenarios.
Exactly. And they're good for practicing the conditional tense. Got another example?
Sure. If you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
Nice one. It's fun to imagine all the possibilities.
Totally. And it's good practice for both speaking and listening.
For sure. Hey, got another joke?
Always. Why don't skeletons fight each other?
Dunno, why?
They don't have the guts.
Haha, love it. You've got the best jokes.
Thanks. Gotta keep things light, right?
Absolutely. So, any tips for mastering advanced questions?
I'd say listen to native speakers as much as you can. Podcasts, movies, conversations. It all helps.
Great advice. And don't be afraid to ask questions yourself, right?
Exactly. The more you practice, the better you get.
Yep. We're on the right track.
Definitely. Let's keep practicing and having fun with it.
For sure. Thanks for the chat, Alex. Learned a lot today.
Same here, Emma. Catch you later.
See ya.